The cough is still disturbing me badly.
You are coughing. You are coughing. You people will not kill me with cough in this house. Let me call your mother.
Hello, honey.
Don't honey me anything. You better remain in the village. You forgot that you left children at home. All the children have been coughing. I've given them the drugs I know. Nothing is working. I'm tired. And you know I'm not a doctor. I don't know what
Honey,
to do.
calm down. Why not give them Neofylin cough syrup? Neofylin cough syrup is a cough linctus that puts an end to cough, cold, and catarrh. It's very fast in action. It has been tested and trusted for adults and children.
Okay, let me try. Did you say Neofylin?
Yes, Neofylin cough syrup.
Daddy, good morning. Daddy, I'm no more coughing.
Wow, so fast. Neofylin has done it.
Neofylin cough syrup is manufactured by Mopsin Pharmaceutical Limited, 47 Osolowe, Ajawa Estate, Oshodi, Lagos. If symptoms persist after 3 days, consult your doctor.